In 2025, amidst the dynamic world of digital content creation, staying consistent on TikTok might seem like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. It's not that you're lazy or lack creativity. What you need is a well-structured system to harness your potential. Imagine waking up each day not to the noise of uncertainty, but to the clear chime of direction. You're holding the real dated TikTok content calendar. More than just a planner, it's a growth tool designed for creators who crave clarity over chaos. Inside, each month is not just a turning page, but a carefully curated journey that starts on the correct weekday. With trend prompts, strategy guides, and daily content ideas lining your path, there's no more room for guessing or the gnawing thread of burnout. Fully interactive and accessible in Notion, Google Sheets, or even printable formats, the calendar sidesteps the clutter of unnecessary apps, offering pure, unadulterated efficiency. Here, you not only track your growth, but remain inspired. You're not just keeping up with the algorithm, you're aligning with it, poised to show up like a pro. Whether you're venturing into content creation for the first time or reigniting your passion as a seasoned digital coach, this tool empowers smarter planning and accelerated growth. As you consider this limited time offer, envision the strides waiting to be made. Smart creators are already scheduling, planning, and thriving before the digital landscape morphs once more. Embrace the promise of real dates, real strategy, and real results. With each downloaded page, you step closer to creating content with unshakable confidence. It's time to let go of guesswork. Because your growth truly begins when clarity becomes your strategy and certainty your muse.